Hi everybody, NAVIFORCE again. This watch got great attention since it is released, and it comes again with more cool colors. So today we prepare an unboxing review of these new colors of the NF9197L. Now let's start. Again, here the black box is very nice. Open it. And here is the guarantee card and the instruction manual. Okay. Powered by a Japanese quartz movement, this watch features two kinds of case. The black case and the golden case, showing different temperament. First, let's have a look at the back side. Okay, from the back side, you can know the model number of this watch and the material of the back, the stainless steel and the waterproof for 3 ATM. It makes use of the hardened mirror glass so that it is scratch resistant and durable to use. All the parameter is put at the upper right screen. The case diameter of this model is 46 mm. And the thickness is 17 mm. The total length of this watch is 260 mm, and you can notice that the strap is using the genuine leather material with an easily adjusted buckle, and it is quite convenient and comfortable to wear. Let me show you. And now more dial design details are waiting for you. Okay, pay attention. And the most catching eyes has to be the globe-shaped running second window at the 9 o'clock. Combined with the flashing speed bump design and the date display window at the 3 o'clock. This watch is quite dynamic and covering such abundant functions like alarm clock and stopwatch. It is both aesthetic and practical. Finally, let's see all the colors here. There are a total of 10 colors. Black case shows a sense of youthful jewelry, while the golden case shows more pioneer cool sense. Okay, the first one is the silver black. The black dial surface with the contrasting colors, the functional windows is quite cool. The next one is the black gray. With black case and the gray surface, dial surface, and the functional windows, the design is quite different from the other one. Okay, the next one is the black case and the white studs and the white functional windows. The next one is the black yellow. This one is quite like the one that I just talked about. It is black case combined with the yellow functional windows and the studs. The deep brown leather strap is very nice and versatile. Okay, the fifth one is the silver blue. It is with the blue case and dial surface and the leather strap, but the white and the silver functional windows. Again, it is very cool. Okay, the last one is the rose gold blue. It is the blue case, dial surface and the leather strap with the rose gold functional windows and the white studs. The seventh one is the golden black. This watch shows very much the pioneer sense and the avant-garde style. The colorway is the golden case and combined with the black dial surface and the leather strap. The eighth one is the golden blue. It is with the golden and the blue case and the blue dial surface and the yellow or the light brown the leather strap. Okay, the last two is the green colorways, and this one is the golden green. It is the new color, it's most popular, and it is with the golden case and the green dial surface and the green leather strap. Okay, finally we got the last one is the silver green. It is with the silver case and the green dial surface and the leather strap. This one is one of the old colors of the NF9197L. It is quite popular. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9197L today. Please thumb up and subscribe us as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more. And see you next time. Bye bye.